Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a poem from Sylvia Plath. She was an American poetess, and this poem is named as Pursuit. Okay, so this is actually one of her early poems in which death is being symbolized by a panther, and that panther is stalking down its victims. So let's just give a reading and then we'll go into an RTC which came in your December 21 examination. Okay, Pursuit. The first line here is written in French. Dans les fonds des forêts, votre image me suit. Please excuse my French, I am not apt in it. It means in the middle of the forest, your shadow follows me. Okay, so she's talking about the actually, by the panther, she means a predator. She means the patriarchal society, the men who preys on their victims. Okay. So there is a panther stalks me down. One day I will have my death of him. His greed has set the woods aflame. He prowls more lordly than the sun. Most soft, most suavely glides that step, advancing always at my back. From gaunt hemlock, rooks croak havoc. The hunt is on and sprung the trap. Flayed by thorns, I trek the rocks, haggard through the hot white noon. Along red network of his veins, what fire runs, what craving wakes. In here she's entirely talking about the panther stalking down its prey, and to save herself from the panther, since the hunt is on, she is trekking through rocks. She's she's looking haggard, and she's moving through white noon, hot noon, along with red network of his veins. What fires run, what craving wakes. What craving he must have to follow her or stalk her. Insatiate, he ransacks the land. Insatiate मतलब भूख ना मिटना. Insatiable greed, insatiable hunger. So insatiate, he ransacks the land. Ransacks मतलब एकदम जैसे चोर या डकैत आपके घर पे आते तो पूरा एकदम घर उथल पुथल करते थे, उसको रैंसैक कहते, ठीक है. Condemned by our ancestral fault, crying blood, let blood be spilt, meat must glut his mouth's raw wound. Keen the rending teeth and sweet, the singeing fury of his fur, his kisses parch, each pause a briar, doom consummates that appetite. In the wake of this fierce cat, kindled like torches for his joy, charred and ravened women lie, becoming his starving body's bait. चार्ड एंड रेवन वुमेन मतलब एकदम जो जल जाती है उसको चार्ड बोलते हैं. जलना. और रेवन मतलब एकदम भूख से मतलब वो होना, माने उसको खा जाना, मतलब चार्ड एंड रेवेंड वीमेन लाई बिकमिंग दिस स्टार्विंग बॉडीज बीट. वो खुद भी भूखा था तो ये वीमेन उसका शिकार बनते हैं. इनडायरेक्टली मेन एंड पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी के बारे में बात हो रही है, प्रेडिटर्स के बारे में बात हो रही है, ठीक है. Now hills hatch menace, spawning shade, midnight cloaks the sultry grove, the black marauder hauled by love. On fluent haunches keeps my speed, behind snarled thickets of my eyes lurks the Lilith one. In dreams ambush bright those claws that mar the flesh, and hungry those taut thighs. His ardor snares me, lights the trees, and I run flaring in my skin. That lull, what cool can lap me in when burns and brands that yellow gaze. देखो इसमें क्या बोल रहे हैं कि जो थिकेट्स मतलब झाड़ियों का गुच्छा, ठीक है. बिहाइंड स्नल थिकेट्स ऑफ माई आईज मतलब आई लैश के पीछे. लर्क्स द लिल्थ वन इन ड्रीम्स एम्ब्यूश, ब्राइट दोस क्लॉज दैट मार द फ्लैश. एकदम क्लॉज, बड़े बड़े क्लॉज. एंड हंगरी बहुत ही भूखा है. टॉट थाइज मतलब एकदम जब अब जिम विम करके आते हो आपके थाइज एकदम टॉट रहते हैं ना, स्ट्रेन्ड एकदम ऐसे. I hurl my heart to halt his pace, to quench his thirst. I squander blood. He eats and still his need seeks food, compels a total sacrifice. His voice all waylays me, spells a trance. The gutted forest falls to ash. Appalled by secret want, I rush from such assault of radiance. Entering the lower of my fears, I shut my doors on that dark guilt. I bolt the door, each door I bolt. Blood quickens going in my ears. The panther's tread is on the stairs, coming up and up the stairs. Okay, so there was an RTC in your previous years which came from this portion. So we'll get into it. So the RTC is from December 21 examination, and this is the opening lines. There is a panther stalks me down. One day I will have my death of him. His greed has set the woods aflame. He prowls more lordly than the sun. Now these opening lines are from Pursuit by Sylvia Plath. In this poem, the speaker imagines death as a relentless panther that constantly pursues her. The panther symbolizes an inescapable force of destruction, fear, and obsession. Now there is a panther stalks me down. One day I will have my death of him. The speaker says that a panther is secretly and continuously following her. The panther is a symbol of death, which is always present and impossible to escape. The speaker realizes that one day the panther will finally catch and kill her. She acknowledges the inevitability of death. His greed has set the woods aflame. He prowls more lordly than the sun. The panther is insatiable. Hunger and destructive desire are so intense that they seem to set the entire forest on fire. This suggests that death destroys everything in its path. The panther moves with majestic power and authority, appearing even more dominant than the sun. This emphasizes that death is more powerful than all earthly forces and reigns supreme over human life. So, पैंथर के नाम पे डेथ ही है. देखो सिल्विया प्लैथ का अगर आप कुछ भी पढ़ो तो आपको पता होगा शी वॉज हाईली डिप्रेस्ड. एवरी 10 years शी ट्राइड committing suicide and she succeeded on her I think third or fourth attempt. She was only 30 years old, so she was she was depressed throughout her life. Okay, so she mainly, since she is a confessional poetry writer, she mainly used to write regarding her own life and depression and death. So here she describes death as a panther who is stalking her, and one day I will have my death of him. One day that panther will catch her and she'll die. Okay, so the following lines में क्या बोल रहे हैं कि his greed has set the woods aflame, he prowls more lordly than the sun. कि पैंथर का मतलब डेथ का insatiable hunger है, वो कभी मतलब सेशिएट नहीं होता है. ठीक है, एंड डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिज़ायर इतना इंटेंस होता है कि पूरे जंगल में आग लगा देता है. कि ये क्या सजेस्ट करता है कि डेथ डिस्ट्रॉयज एवरीथिंग इन इट्स पाथ. जो भी डेथ के रास्ते पे आएगा वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा. एंड द पैंथर मूव्स विद मेजेस्टिक पावर एंड अथॉरिटी, अपियरिंग इवन मोर डोमिनेंट देन द सन. सन से भी ज़्यादा डोमिनेंट है डेथ. This emphasizes that death is more powerful than all earthly forces and reigns supreme over human life. Whoever will be born has to or have to die. This is the cycle of life. ठीक है, that is why death is classified above and beyond every earthly forces and reigns. It is supreme. ठीक है. Conclusion: in these lines, Sylvia Plath introduces the central image of the poem, a panther representing death. Through vivid imagery and symbolism, she conveys the idea that death is powerful, inevitable, and constantly pursuing every human being, creating an atmosphere of fear and helplessness. Thank you. Have a good day.